English speaking grammatically, the 26th of December 25, 7 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. Practice 13 minutes daily.
Yam, yam, yam is, was, were, been, are, were. How many there are? How many? Count it. How many there are? 8 B forms. B means, is means, are means mundu. Write down Telugu. Mundu. I am here. నేను ఉన్నాను ఇక్కడ అని. యామ్ అంటే ఉన్నాను. B means ఉండటం. B forms. There are 8 B forms. Another there are 4 possessive auxiliary verbs. Has, write down. Possessive auxiliary verbs, write down. Why do you sit silently? Has, have, had, having. There are 4. Has, had, have, had, having. Has, have, had, having. 4. What are those 4 auxiliary verbs? Having. Next, 4 auxiliaries. Next, 9 modals. 9 modals. Possessive after 9 modals. For 9, 8 plus 4, 12. Next to 9. Very, very important. Shall, should, can, could, may, might, can, could, may, might, will, would, must. How many there? May, might. How many? Count it. Shall, may, might, must.
Must.
Don't repeat. You listen it. Shall, should, will, would, may, might, can, could, must. There are 9 models which are also very, very useful for writing. Okay. Next, do, action auxiliary verbs. Do, does, right? These are also useful in questions. Do, does, did. Do, does, did. There are 3 action verbs. Do, does, did. How many are there? Total how many? 9 plus 23, and 3 auxiliaries are there. Semi-auxiliaries are there. Use it to write. Use it to art. Use it to art. Use it to art. OUG.